The smallest Aston Martin model is getting a significant update in 2024, with most upgrades revolving around the car's technical features. Set to get an even sportier look, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage's overhaul also includes a plethora of exterior and interior design changes, including a new bespoke infotainment system. Previewed on the recently unveiled DB12 Grand Tourer, the new infotainment is an in-house developed touchscreen system, the first of its kind made by Aston Martin and a massive departure from the Mercedes-Benz-based infotainments of the old. All new seats and a redesigned center console are also expected inside. However, don't expect the tiny interior space to suddenly increase, as the basic two-seat architecture will remain the same. The most obvious change on the new Vantage is its comprehensively redesigned front end. It features a reshaped engine grille and replaces the current model's small horizontal headlights with larger, more vertical ones like on the DB12. As another nod to the DB12, the old clamshell hood will be replaced by one with conventional hinges for better aerodynamics, while also reducing production costs. There don't seem to be too many changes to the car's rear, except maybe for the exhaust tips, but the production model could surprise us with some new aerodynamic features. The main surprise will probably be found under the hood, where the AMG-sourced 4-liter V8 will likely get a significant power boost, bringing it closer to the 600 horsepower mark in standard guise. Not officially confirmed yet, but a rear-wheel steering could also make an appearance, especially judging by some of the footage in the spy video. There are slim chances that the 7-speed manual transmission will return, so we expect the 2025 Vantage to come with a ZF-sourced 8-speed automatic in all versions. While the coupe is expected to go official by the end of 2023, a Vantage Roadster and even sportier versions of the model should also be arriving in the next couple of years.